Did you know that electric vehicle sales more than tripled from 2019 to 2021? And that today's EVs can go up to 500 miles on a full battery? Stats like that got me all charged up to take the plug-in plunge.
Not to diffuse your enthusiasm, but while an electric car purchase can keep you current on consumer trends, save you cash, and reduce your carbon emissions, remember that you still need to have a reliable plan to charge it once you get it home.
Yeah, I know that, but maybe we should compare notes on the subject, just to be on the safe side.
Here are 4 things EV owners need to consider before installing a household charger.
Number 1, know your need for speed. Depending on your EV model and driving habits, you might be able to get by charging on a 120 volt standard outlet. But for most daily drivers, you're really better off installing a 240 volt level 2 charger in your home. This will juice up your ride some 5 times faster than a regular outlet, about 25 miles per 1 hour of charging according to the EPA.
Number 2, put it where you park it. Not all EVs have their charging port in the same spot. Be sure to have your charger installed somewhere that's spatially sufficient, logistically logical, and easily accessible. So all you need to do is park it, plug it, and proceed. That means you need to consider where you park, how you park, and the position of the charging port on the vehicle. That's in addition to where your breaker box is located, which brings us to...
Number 3, don't forget the fuse box. The location of your circuit breaker box is another factor you'll need to be mindful of when positioning your level 2 charger. Is it on the wall in the garage next to where you park? Down the hallway across the entire house? In the basement? Do you need to run a conduit line underneath concrete or through walls? Do you need a breaker box upgrade to accommodate the additional electrical load?
Cars.com warns that these factors can quickly compound the cost of your charger installation.
Number 4, the charges for charging. The cost of a level 2 charger installation could run between $1,000 and $2,500 according to HomeServe, including as much as $1,200 for the charger itself and between $40 and $100 per hour for your electrician's labor. According to the Department of Energy, if electricity costs 10.7 cents per kilowatt hour and the vehicle consumes 27 kilowatt hours per 100 miles, the cost is 3 cents per mile, or roughly $6 to recharge a depleted battery with a 200-mile range. That's about $50 extra per month on your electric bill. So, what did you decide?
I'm gonna call an installer right now. Oh.
What's wrong?
Forgot to charge my phone.